Okay, hello everyone. Sorry for the late start. I meant to start a little while back, but I forgot to do a thing. Hold on. Let me just organize this, make it look better. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the late start. Meant to start a little while ago. Because, I mean, yeah, I meant to start a while back. But, I'm here. So, today, as suggested by, in the last stream, well, I mean, I came up with the idea, but as approved by GoldenEye, I believe, I'm going to be making random games and stuff that you guys suggest how to make and what to make. So, this stream is going to be a little weird because I didn't have enough time to make a good setup, but yeah, so this is the same program I've been making the game that I showed yesterday on the previous stream. Code a makeshift Google Wi-Fi dinosaur. Actually, that would be fun. A custom Google no Wi-Fi dinosaur game. I might actually have to do that. I'm gonna keep that one in mind, cause that's a good idea. The only problem with that is I'm just really bad at making gravity, but alright, same one who made the kudu, or kata. I'm, in case you haven't noticed from watching these yet, I'm really bad at pronouncing things. So, alright, before I just start going, I'm just gonna wait for a bunch of ideas. The makeshift Google dinosaur, though, that might be a good one. Can we play it? Yeah, once we get to the finished project, or not even the finished project, I will be able to start making downloads to put in the description of the streams. So, yeah, it will be. It should. Let me rephrase that. It should be playable. So, really quick, this isn't linked to any full game thing. I just want to test something that I've been meaning to test for a while. So just give me a second. Oh, yeah. Alright, never mind. I just remembered something. Doesn't work. Okay. So. I guess I should also probably... Here, wait. I'm just gonna add something to the description really quick. There we go. In the description, if you want to use the same tool that I'm using right now, there is now a link in the description. You might have to reload the page for it to show up, but... Try making a puzzle game? Yeah, I could try making a puzzle game. Puzzle game is a pretty vague term, though. Yeah. And also, just a heads up, I'm not, like, the world's best programmer that programs, like, a huge, giant 3D RPG in my spare time. But... Okay. Since I'm gonna... Alright, like a maze game? Yeah, I could try and do a maze game. That would be fun. I do want to try and get the Google Wi-Fi dinosaur one, because that sounds fun. But maze game, probably be like the next thing up. Make a brawl game, okay. I can't make all of these at the same time, but since the first one I got, and one that I actually want to do because I think it'd be fun, I'm gonna start with Google Wi-Fi dinosaur one. So okay. So, for the people who've never seen this before, basically, void setup is just stuff that gets run right at the very beginning, and this is stuff that gets run every single frame. So, here I'm going to reset the background every time. Let's get... make a Pac-Man knockoff type game. Alright. Yeah, I've got a lot of suggestions. And I'm probably not gonna spend like hours into one game, because I do want to eventually get to everyone's thing, but I mean, I won't be able to get all of these in one stream. Let me just say that. That's not possible. Well, it is possible, but each game would be really bad. So Yeah, just I've never bothered to correct anyone in the chat, but everyone refers to me as she. I am the opposite of a she. So, I guess that's first-hand say. I mean, I don't care. I'm not sure why, but whatever. Mistakes happen. I don't care. Yeah, it's a common mistake. Actually, no, it's not. That's not true. I don't know if it's my mic or something, but I don't care. Oh yeah, just open a notepad and save people's suggestions. Good idea. What game do I want to make? I'm currently trying to do a Fortnite 2 Take 3 suggestion. A makeshift Google no Wi-Fi dinosaur game. And then I can just mess with it and make weird random stuff happen. So we've got the Google Wi-Fi Dino. What was the next thing after? Puzzle maze game. Pac-Man. Alright. Brawl. Pac-Man. Okay, I'll just call it okay. Alright. So, yes, back to what I was doing. Okay. Ever play Hollow Knight? I've heard a lot of good things about Hollow Knight, but I've never actually seen it. Like, well, actually no, I have seen it, but only from like brief little like video trailers and teasers and stuff. I could definitely look into playing Hollow Knight because it does look like fun from the very little bit that I've seen. Yeah, I could definitely look into playing Hollow Knight at some point. Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah, I very well might look at Hollow Knight at some point. Alright, so I'll show you what I have so far. Let me just pull it up. So, this is the game so far. It's the most compelling game of all time. You can't do anything. But there is our basis. How did I learn this? How did I learn this? It's a mixture of YouTube, messing around, and just, yeah. YouTube and messing around. But I think I know one feature that we're gonna have to add. We can't have the Google dinosaur. That's boring. We're gonna have to make Cursor Friend the main character. And I'm sure you agree with me on that. I'm not even gonna ask the chat. I'm just assuming that you agree that Cursor Friend should be the main character once I get to that point. I don't remember how to do this. 1 second. I am just... Alright, I'm just gonna use the up arrow for now, temporarily. Alright. Sorry, I'm just trying to make it so that you can actually jump. Okay. Let's... Alright. So, that, of course, doesn't work because life doesn't like to work first try. Okay. I mean, they're all still pretty good. Here, you know what? No. Another good one. I'm pulling up all of them, because they're good. Another good one. And another good one, back from the JSB streams. What am I coding? I am coding the thing that you suggested. The dinosaur game. Okay, I have a very basic progress. It doesn't work exactly as I wanted because it does this when you try and jump. So got a few changes to make. Oh, hello, Kiwi. Alright. Okay, GD Mac Hex. Oh, why is the fart nut here? I have not gotten a Discord friend request, I don't think. Okay. This is not cooperating with me. I'm trying to get it so he jumps and then falls back down. But okay, I've made a little bit of progress when it comes to... No, I don't think I did. You try sending me another one if that's a thing you can do. Okay. So, a little bit of progress. It's still very buggy, but there's a very small jump you can do, but you can also jump again while in midair, and you teleport a little bit when you're on the ground, but it's a step in the right direction, sort of. So I'm gonna make the jump bigger, just for this test here. Alright, a little bit bigger jump. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you shouldn't be able to jump while already jumping. Okay, that's... Alright, name and number on Discord. 1 second. I'm pulling up my Discord right now. Okay, wait, I'm just trying to find the thing, because I am not good at using Discord. Okay, I was able to find this before. Nope. Cool, I just got it. Bam, there you go. Alright. Well, right now I'm just trying to get this to work. See, the teleport region. Okay, it's almost perfect with the jumping. So I will show you what I've got. Okay, so I can't jump in the air, and I have decent jump gravity stuffs. Progress. It does stutter a little bit while on the ground. You can see it bobs up and down just slightly, but step in the right direction. Okay. Should work exactly the same. Yep, cool. Alright, so the next step I think is adding obstacles. Yes, new meme, progress. Let's see. Wow, technology. There's gotta be one person that knows that meme. It's not a very popular one. But if you know it, you know it. I'll just say that. Yeah, yandere dev. Cool, I'm not the only one that knows that. Cool, I'm not the only one that knows yandere dev. Okay. Again, a little bit more progress. Okay. So I'm just going to... Bam, I have a thing. It doesn't damage you yet, but... Got... Got a moving thing. Oh, okay. I will pull that up then. Alright, cool. I will have to look at that a bit more in a second. But... Okay, if that's... Okay. No, there are two separate things. We briefly checked on it last stream, but something wasn't working or something, but... Okay, Okay. So, it's actually a bit of a game now. Just fixed a bug. So, you actually have to, oh yeah, I didn't think of that. Alright, one more problem to sort out. Why would I? I don't see why I would need to. Show you what it looks like so far? Sure, let me just finish this one glitch that makes it unplayable really quick. Greater than... Oh, power went out. Actually, that reminded me. I should probably save. So thanks for, reminding me. I mean, you didn't tell me to save, but... Alright, that hopefully will work. Okay. So, okay, why? Alright. So that's, I guess, a brief view of what it looks like, but still. Why did... Okay, why does that not work? Wait, let me get it showing the game again. Okay. Will I play Geometry Dash sometime? I briefly touched it on a previous stream, but I could definitely play it a bit more. Alright. Please work. Okay. Play what I sent you on Discord. Okay. So much stuff. Okay, sure. I'm not sure why, but, at least for me, the thing is muted. I mean, I'll try and figure that out in a second, but... Alright, I'm just trying to make the collision with the box. And the only problem I'm having is the whole verticality aspect. So wait here. Let me just think about this simply. If the player's Y position... Alright, it goes from top 0, bottom is height. So... I would think that would work. I'm just gonna run into it and it shouldn't work. Okay. I have the exact opposite of the problem I expected. So I'll pull it up here. So you can watch, I can jump, and then I have the cube rolling by, which doesn't work. However, what triggers it is when you go above it, it kills you. Which is the exact opposite of what I wanted. Okay, I got it fully working. It's not very exciting yet. But it works perfectly to what it was intended to do. You can jump over the thing, and if you don't jump, and you just run into it, you die. So, got the basis for success down. I'm just gonna make the cube more of a threat, because it is not the best yet. Whoa. Alright, that's more like it. Alright. Hold up. There we go. That's more fun. And my jump didn't work. Alright. One bug I'm noticing is occasionally... Alright, I'm gonna slow the cube down a bit. That's too fast. I do need to fix this problem where it doesn't let you jump sometimes. Oh. Perfectly lined that jump up to land on the thing. Actually, the main problem I'm having is just the fact that it does not like to capture the game. So I'm just trying to fix that. Yay. We have a beta thing of the game. This is definitely not good enough to just be a game, but especially with the fact that it doesn't let you jump occasionally. That's progress. Because we started this with a line and a stationary cube, so... Actually, wait, hold on. I think I just came up with the problem that I was having with the fact that it was muted. Let me just try and fix something really quick. Yep, that was the problem. Alright. Here you go. Now you have music that you have sent me. There you go. There is a bit of music sent by Brofista. Hold on, let me just reboot. Alright, well, I fixed the fact that it doesn't let you jump sometimes, but now I have this weird problem where you slowly sink into the ground. Like, you teleport back up when you jump, but you just very slowly just start sinking, which is another problem. But now I have to try and fix that. Alright. Oh great, I died while I was... Here we go. So I fixed the occasionally you can't jump problem. Now there's a little bit of a bigger bounce issue going on when you hit the ground, but now I think it's time where I start taking your ideas to throw in new random features into this template, I suppose you could call it. So I'm going to let you guys give suggestions on what to add next, whether that be score, time lasted, I don't know, other random things, maybe like a type of tile that means you shouldn't jump, just whatever you guys think. Maybe add in actual visuals so that it's not just squares. I will let you guys choose. Now that we've got a base template. Actually, really quick, while I let everyone accumulate ideas, I'm going to make a score system. I'm not going to spend that long on this, but just a basic simple score system. Where's Cursor Friend as an avatar? Okay, cool. I'll add Cursor Friend in as well. Okay, I somehow broke it because the moment I booted it up, it crashed. Oh, that's why. Okay. Another problem to fix. Oh yeah, I also need to move this down here. Okay, I've got score as a system now. So, score. Alright, Cursor Friend. That's the next mandatory step. It will be the exact same Cursor Friend because I'm using the same image. The same image that is right here. Because Cursor Friend has not been forgotten. He lives on. And now, if I put enough work into this, could I like sell it as like Cursor Friend of the game? No one would ever know how it started, except for the people who do. holes do that? Alright, wait, hold on. I'm going to Cursor Friend Adventures. I'm gonna briefly have to mute my mic and go get something done. Don't worry. It's not like I'm leaving. Be back. I'll be back, everyone, in like 30 seconds. And I'm back. Cool. Alright. So, back to getting Cursor Friend as the player. Can I make a pixel cursor friend? I could. It would take a little bit longer. But alright, it's not perfect or anything, but I am just pulling it up. Okay. Got that. Oh, wait, I just realized I've been doing a very unnecessary step this entire time, getting this to show. Okay. Well, now, it's nothing perfect yet, but we do have, sorry, it does take a minute for it to show up on the stream, but we have a little cursor friend. Here. And I died. I mean, I did press the button, it just, sometimes it doesn't want to work. Okay. Added a very not finished feature yet, where it works the same, except I want to make it so that depending on how long you hold the button, you get a certain amount of speed. Right now, it lets you fly, but... And I also somehow just went straight through that. Like right now, you can use it to fly into space, but don't intend for it to work like that forever. A new sky level. Sure, you can just call it that. Okay. Okay, I just broke everything. Actually, it's an unnecessary feature. I'm just gonna hit Control Z a bunch and get rid of that. Okay, back to how it was. Alright. How did I double jump there? Oh yeah, I forgot to get rid of this. Now let's try. There we go. Now I can't infinijump. How did I... Alright. Occasionally this likes to just not work. Oh yeah, I just came up with a solution to the weird bobbing problem where you like bounce up and down. Alright, that should fix the weird bobbing problem, and it should fix not always being able to jump. Oh, that is so much smoother. Sorry, it'll take a second for it to pop up on stream. But that is so much smoother looking. And your jumps are consistent, so every single time you hit the button, you jump. So that is significantly better. Like, it's actually sort of playable now. Alright, now I'm gonna ask everyone in the chat, do you want me to add more stuff, or make a build of this so that you guys can play the exact same thing? Or do you want me to add some more stuff before I give you guys a download? I'm gonna let you guys decide on that. Yeah, it's actually sort of a game. I mean, it's not a particularly fun game, but... Ooh, actually, I just came up with a thing that'll make this way more exciting. There we go. Now it'll slowly get harder as time goes on. Like right now it's really easy, but it should add stuff, okay. But it should gradually be getting harder now, instead of being a consistent difficulty for all eternity. And there should eventually come a point where it's, like, impossible. I just want to reach the point where it gets really hard. Actually, wait, I just came up with a problem that I think we might have. Oh no, alright. Here, I'm gonna make it get harder faster, just so that we don't have to wait as long to see its effects. But it should quite quickly get significantly harder. Oh yeah. It normally won't go this fast. Yeah, and it's only just gonna keep getting faster and faster. I'm definitely gonna have to add in a bit more stuff. I'm also noticing a problem if it gets super fast. You go right through it. But I'm gonna make it get really fast in like no time, just to mess around. Yeah, I think it's going a little too fast. Oh wow, it looks different on stream than it does for me. For you guys, it looks like the cube is just solid sliding. Oh, stuff to stand on? That would be kind of cool. That would be kind of annoying, but I could definitely try and add something like that. Oh, holes in the floor. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do that, actually. Except I'm going to sort of cheat with doing it. Because I want to make this easy. So I'm gonna make it work pretty much the same. And I mean pretty much the same as in I'm copy pasting all the old stuff. Except I'm going to give it the color of the background. Yeah, I should definitely add some stuff that makes it slightly more challenging. There we go, I've got a non-functional. Oh yeah, there's a lot of problems with this. Like it's very broken now. But, like the white cube never makes it to you. But I've got to start on a hole in the floor. It is, yeah, it's not exactly what we want. Wait, I realized I put the fill in the wrong spot. I want to put it there, and then I want to move this whole thing. Okay. That's something. It actually looks like what it should now, except I need to make the hole in the floor actually go through the floor. There we go, now it should be a full hole. Alright. Progress. I'm just gonna need a few more little things. Also, I feel like there's a problem with the collision. Yeah, the collision isn't working. Ugh. Oh, actually, I know exactly why the collision isn't working now that I think about it. It's from a change that I made that I meant to be temporary. Oh wait, no, I switched it back. Alright, why is the whole collision not working? Okay. Oh yeah, that's why. Oh, and great, now it's not even doing that at all. What did you miss? You've just missed me trying and failing to make stuff work. Okay, you know what, here. I'm gonna save a whole hole in the floor system for another time. For now, I just want to make it so that occasionally you get more than one. Actually, highest priority, make the actual collision with the cubes work again, because it doesn't seem to work anymore. Which is annoying. But just, this is basically what we got so far. It's not stuttery, which is big improvement. Consistent jumping. Actually, I have one thing I could do to make this significantly harder. Bam, just made a change that'll make this a lot harder. Oh wow. Yeah, now you actually have to try. It looks the same, but your jump is sad. Actually, I could also change how strong gravity is. Here, I just doubled the strength of gravity. Actually, should I leave it like this? I'm gonna wait for it to pop up on stream and let you guys decide. Should I leave it like this level of gravity? I could also make you, like, jump higher, but, like, keep this gravity. Like, it no longer bobs to heavy metal. I could add in random stuff. I'm just debating, should I have stronger, lighter gravity? Should I have the jump stronger, weaker? Because I want to get the jump just right. Yes is not an answer. Because I don't know what yes refers to. Do the jump lower so it will be harder. Okay. And the speed faster. Alright, so do the jump lower. Well, this is impossible. Well, actually, that is possible, but, like, this is too small jump, too much gravity. So, actually, hold on, I'm just curious. I want to make gravity really weak. Not for a purpose, just 'cause why not? Oh. I made it a little too low gravity. Alright, for gravity, try 04. That's gonna be really strong. Like, oh, 04 the jump. Okay. Well, 04 on the jump barely counts as a jump. Oh, and I died that time. To the thing. Huh, I died to the cube. That one time. Huh. Alright, well this is like a really big jump. Oh, -4 on the jump. Okay. Cool. Well, that's a pretty decent jump. But it's also, alright, well this is the gravity level we had before. And we've got this level of jump. I could lower gravity a bit. I could, with the gravity 02. Okay, let's try that. Actually, I think that one's pretty good. I might need a little bit of a stronger jump, because this might be a little too little, but because I want to add in more than just one cube scrolling by. Occasionally have like a second one. So you have to jump 2. Huh. You can lose. But only at very random times. Because I have, you guys can't see it, but I have a little debug thing with just prints the text lose when I lose. Make it so you just have to perfectly time every jump. Alright. Well, if I want to do that, 4.5. Alright, here. I'm gonna make it so I have to time perfectly every jump. That'll probably, this will probably accomplish that. Yeah, that's like a perfect, you just barely don't hit it, but Yeah, minus 4.5. And then I think I want to add in multiple cubes at some point. So I think this is a pretty good jump power. And since it doesn't kill me right now because, I don't know, I'm actually going to just start the score at 5,000. So I can just see what it's like. Yeah, the comment delay is annoying. I'm just gonna start my score at 5,000 so I can see a little bit more what this is like late game. I mean, I can't really lose. I mean, I can at very random times. Alright, let's start my score at 10,000. Oh, you have to sleep? Okay. Well, bye. Alright, well this is... I think I should make it accelerate a bit faster, because this is super late game and it's still slow enough to be able to time every jump. So... I think... Oh, okay. I will, keep a lookout there, then. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna make it accelerate a bit faster. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit better speed for when you're at 10,000. So I'm gonna start at 0 again and just try and do well, because it should start accelerating twice as fast. Alright, here, let me check my Discord for... Try to make every obstacle time with the beat. That... You'd be surprised, but that's quite hard. Right now, I want to fix the collision, because you being able to collide with it and lose is kind of important. And if I can perfect the collision, I'll set out a little, I'll make a download for it, and I'll give you guys a challenge to beat. And if you can beat it, then I don't know, something cool will happen. Alright. Try and make a death sound. Yeah, I just want to get the collision, because that is mildly important. Also, sorry if I'm being really quiet. It's just because I'm mathing in my head, trying to get stuff to make sense and work. So, sorry if I'm being really quiet at sometimes. No, wait, that doesn't make sense. Left corner. Is greater than the left corner of that. Right corner. The player's right corner is greater than its left corner. So if the player's right corner... Yes, if the player's right corner is greater than its left quarter, and if its left quarter is greater than its left quarter. Is greater than. Okay. I should die. Alright, okay, I did trigger lose. Somehow. Alright, you know what, here, I'm just gonna temporarily get rid of the whole detection on the y-axis. So it's just, if I go in its region. Good. It did kill me. So now I need to make it so that it doesn't kill you if you're above it. And I'm also just gonna move the visual on it up a little so that it looks better. Too high up. I just want to make it perfectly align with the line. There we go, that's better looking. Okay, so good progress. It does collide now. Now it's just the whole problem with verticality. Yeah, I'm gonna make it fully restart when you die pretty soon, but I'm just making it so that you can die properly first. You know. Minor problems. Come on, please tell me that worked. Alright, I died when I jumped over it. Well, I die if I go through it. Yes, so it works exactly the opposite of what I want. Alright, I'm able to jump over it and it doesn't kill me. And now the moment of truth, if I touch it, yes, it actually works with collision and life. So now to add in an actual proper death thing. Okay. Sweet, now it should properly restart when you hit something as well. So, I can jump over a thing. And I'm gonna run into a thing and it should restart. Yes. Hallelujah. Good progress. I've only found one bug so far, and that's if you time your jump right, you can clip through the top right half of it. Oh, do you want to see the progress? Well, here is progress. Actual proper collision. Oh yeah. Oh, I just barely didn't hit it. Oh wait, hold on, the collision isn't working again. Now it was. Alright, the collision is still a little iffy, but it works, which is big improvement. Yes, It is the channel thing. Oh, are you kidding me? Is it gonna have this problem? Oh, that. Alright, I'm gonna try and manually fix this, but if this doesn't work, then I have bad news. Alright, so bit of bad news. The way that exporting applications works, let's just say it doesn't work very well. So if I want to export the application to let you guys try it, I need to temporarily disable cursor friend and make it a cube again. I don't want to make it work like that, but if you guys want to try it, I sort of have to. I think. Don't quote me on that. Yeah, I'll probably make it so that, like, every, 1,000 points, the amount of blocks it's there gets bigger. So I'm just temporarily gonna have to switch it to a cube again. Just because inconvenience. Width divided by 40. Width divided by 40. Okay. Alright, unfortunately we now have white cube. Back. And now... Oh yeah, the problem is when it exports an application, it doesn't save images. So I'm gonna have to look a bit more into it. But if I have any sort of image in, I can't export it. Yeah, it's Cube Friend. Yeah. It's definitely Cube Friend and nothing else. Alright, if you guys just give me a little bit, I am going to Alright, it's gonna take a bit. Color the cube blue and the obstacles pink? Sure. I mean, it's not gonna be there for the downloadable version that you guys will have in a bit, but for future builds, sure. You know what? Here, let's just turn this into Cube Friend so that you guys aren't missing out. It's gonna be Cube Friend Adventures. Salad. Sure. Why not? Alright, cool. You guys will have build of it relatively soon. There we go. You should now have blue and pink. Yep. I'm gonna pick a better shade of blue, because that's not really the same color. Alright, there we go. Now we have... It's just shapes and beats, too. Might not believe me, but it's true. Alright. Hold on, I'm just trying to figure out how this thing that I'm using works and how I can... get the game out to you guys. Alright, cool. I should be able to get the game out to you guys pretty soon. But while I wait to do that, I'm just gonna briefly look back over what we have. Can we play it, Jaunt, in PC? Yeah. I do know a way to get mobile versions of my same games. And I could do that, but I'm assuming the people who do have a mobile device have an iPhone. And I would only be able to make and I'm only able to make stuff for Android. So no, I don't. Oh, you don't have an iPhone? Alright. Well, if anyone has an Android, and that's the only thing you could play it on, I could make an Android build of it. It would just take a while. There we go. I just made it so that it gradually gets harder to time. Because the cube should very slowly expand in size. I mean, it's only going to be visual right now. The collision's not going to expand, but alright, let me just verify that this works. Bit simpler. No, yeah, that's... Whoa. It suddenly just freaked out. Okay. Don't do that. It broke everything. Let's see. How long can you last just from holding jump? Not very long. Alright. Because this whole sharing and releasing the game isn't working for some reason. Like, the application is working, it's not letting me get the file out to you guys. So, I intend to aim for 2-hour streams. How did that happen? Oh, has that been going the whole time? Will you update the game? Yes, I will come back to it. Like, I probably will come back to it, like, one more time. I also just realized I normally just let the archive of the stream get uploaded afterwards, but I just realized I accidentally hit record while streaming, so I have a 2-hour long MP4 file, which I just deleted. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end the stream here because didn't intend to go forever. But I will be back. I'll probably work on this game for like one more stream. And then I'm going to move on to your other guys' ideas from way back up here. Like a puzzle maze game. I definitely want to make something like that. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream again. And I will see you all on another day.